So reconciling an account is really important to make sure that your checkbook and the bank statement agree. So I'm going to give you a few hints on completing this worksheet. So let's start by noticing that this is the bank statement. Okay, so the bank statement, and it has the previous balance on it, and then it has the activity on it as well, a deposit, and these withdrawals and checks that they had. So keep that in mind. Then down below we have the checkbook. So this is my checkbook register. Similar to that last activity you did, getting a running balance going. And just to clarify, this is a deposit of $1,200, $1,200. That one's kind of hard to see, so I want to make sure you saw that. So that lists everything. And if you go to the directions page, it's talking about filling this out. So the new balance that was on the bank statement, adding any deposits listed in the register that aren't on the statement, and then the same for checks and withdrawals to get to this ending balance. And this is key, so circle that. That amount has to be the same as the balance that's in your check register. And then it's going to have you answer 5 questions once you've completed that. The only thing then, as far as an approach to make sure you understand, is what I want to do is I want to come through here and I want to place check mark whenever I see something. So an ATM withdrawal, the deposit is up here as well. So checks 161, 162, 163. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this entire bank statement, and I'm going to say check 161 for $216. And I find it down here, and I put a check mark here because I've seen it. Do I see the withdrawal of $35? I do. It's on there. Do I see this? Do I see this? So I'm going to put check marks whenever it was on both things, so that ultimately there will be some items on this register that I have not checked. And those things that I have not put a check mark are your deposit and withdrawal information that you need to fill out. So here's all my checks, withdrawals, I total them up and I put it here, and any deposits that I have. So hopefully that will help you. As far as this page goes as well, just my final hint, I guess, is ultimately you should have 8 check marks in this column when you do it. So hope that helps. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.